Redfin reports that homebuyers are canceling deals at record levels that amounts to over $4 billion lost. Here is how to avoid paying non-refundable fees to bad deals in 3 simple steps. Step 1, you want to go to investfusion.co and then enter in the property details. So come in here, enter in the property details. Step 2, you just go in and click see details. Step 3, you scroll all the way down and you want to go to the risk assessment. Here you have the risk assessment here. It says here under risk assessment, foundation issues, yes. So now you have it here. It gives you foundation issues. Then you can also come in quickly to the AI summary score and gives you a deal score here. So it gives you a deal score of 45 over 100. That is pretty bad. And then it's going to give you its own AI summary here. It says final recommendation, avoid investment. And it's going to give you the reasons here. Foundation issues could lead to significant repair costs, increasing risk. So you have it here. This is how to identify in few seconds properties with major foundation issues so that you can stop losing thousands to non-refundable due diligence fees.